What is it? No, I'm going to eat. Look it. I have my food right there. I'm going to eat.
Oh my gosh, just eat.
I'm not gonna play with you, boy. Yeah. You play on your own.
What's the name of the church we went to last?
Okay, you spoke.
That red stuff here?
Kimchi. Probiotic.
We're eating, see? Nobody wants to play with you right now. Okay? What now? What you gonna do? Get your toy. I can't.
That's really nice.
No, nobody wants to play with you. We're eating right now, boy.
Everybody eats but you.
Yeah. You already have your food. Now we have to eat our food too. Okay, Scott?